Opening an account. Hello, I would like to open a bank account. Sure. Would you like a savings or current account? A savings account, please. What documents do I need? You need an ID, address proof, and a passport size photo. Depositing money. I would like to deposit some money into my account. Sure. Please fill out this deposit slip. Here you go. I'm depositing $700. Thank you. Your money has been deposited. Changing PIN or updating account details. I want to change my ATM PIN. You can change it at the ATM or through mobile banking. I need to update my address in my account. Please provide your new address proof and fill out this form. Here is my updated address proof. Your details has been updated successfully. Reporting a lost ATM or debit card. I lost my debit card. What should I do? Don't worry, we will block your card immediately. Thank you. How can I get a new card? You can apply for a replacement. It will be delivered to your address in 5 to 7 working days. Transferring money to another account. I want to transfer $500 to another account. Do you want to do it via online banking or through a bank transfer? I would like to do a bank transfer. Okay, please fill out this transfer form and provide the recipient's details. Apply for a loan. I would like to apply for a personal loan. Sure. How much do you need and what is the purpose of the loan? I need $15,000 to buy a new home. Alright. You will need to fill out a loan application and submit income proof. Withdrawing money. I would like to withdraw $100 from my account. Do you have your debit card or withdrawal slip? Yes. Here is my debit card. Please enter your PIN. Your transaction is complete. Checking account balance. I would like to check my account balance. Do you have online banking or would you like a printed statement? I would like a printed statement. Here is your balance statement. Opening a fixed deposits account. I want to open a fixed deposit account. Sure. What amount would you like to deposit? I would like to deposit $7,000 for 1 year. Okay. The current interest rate is 5%. Please fill out this form. Okay. Here is my ID and the filled form. Alright. Your fixed deposit account is now active. Inquiring about online banking. Hello, sir. How can I register for online banking? You can register on mobile app. Use your account number to sign up. Alright. Changing registered mobile number. Hello. I need to update my registered mobile number. Please fill out this form and provide an ID proof. How long will it take to update? It will be updated within 24 hours. You will receive an SMS confirmation. Okay, thank you. Requesting a statement of account. So, I need my bank statement for the last 6 months. Do you want a printed copy or an email? A printed copy, please. You can also download it through online banking. Oh, that's helpful. Reporting a fraudulent transaction. Madam, I just noticed an unauthorized transaction on my account. Do you remember the transaction details? Yes, it happened yesterday for $500. Okay, I have blocked your card for security reasons. You will receive update via SMS. Thank you. Requesting an ATM PIN reset. I forgot my ATM PIN. How can I reset it? You can reset it through an ATM or online banking. Okay, thank you.